favorite toy when she was little. A sit and spin.
That's gonna be fun, guys.
Hold this and this. Yeah. Alright, Mama's gonna put it together. It's not even together, sweetie. Alright, let me do this to Pierce. Can I see those two things I gave you?
Oh, Paxton has one piece.
Paxton, can you get me the other one, please, sweetie? Alright, bring it to Mama so I can put it together.
Bring it to Mama. Take it to Mama. Paxton, take it to Mama. Paxton, take it to Mama. Take it to Mama.
Alright, Steph. I'm putting it together so you can enjoy it.